Trademark documentation is important for protecting your brand because it forms the foundation of your long-term brand security. It's really the documentation itself that serves as the proof of ownership and of usage, not necessarily the trademark registrations or other things that the government may issue. Also, the documentation helps prevent infringement and strengthens enforcement, whether you're dealing with enforcement within a court setting or simply just cease and desist letters. The types of information you should keep related to your trademark really belong in three different categories. I think of those as examples of your own use, things that you've shared with the government, and finally, things that you've shared with third parties. Examples of your own use could be things as simple as screenshots from your website, pictures of your packaging, and advertisements that you have. Of course, things with the government are anything including your application, specimens of use, responses to office actions, or any other correspondence with a government entity. And finally, third-party enforcement and infringement actions are things that you can share, whether they're cease and desist letters, court actions, or other items showing that you're actively enforcing the brand. Documentation helps in legal challenges in many ways. I'm sure you've heard the phrase that a picture is worth 1,000 words, while a piece of evidence is worth 1,000,000 words. The court won't simply accept your statements that you've been using a brand, they won't prove. So they want to see screenshots, they want to see invoices, they want to see advertisements. They want to see that you're out there actively using your brand, because in the United States, a brand right comes exclusively from use and not from registrations. Not having appropriate documentation can really harm your trademark rights. For example, if someone is challenging your brand saying that you're not using it and you have no proof that you're using it, they could cancel your rights or otherwise get rid of your trademark rights. Also, it might be impossible to maintain a registration if you can't show the government that you're currently using your brand. So not having documentation can be very detrimental to your overall trademark rights. So you want to make sure that you're actively taking part in keeping your documentation. Make sure on a regular basis you are taking screenshots and other image shots of your brand usage so that people can understand you are in fact using your brand on a regular and ongoing basis. Let Initiating Protection Law Group help you secure and strengthen your brand's legal foundation. Contact us right now to get started.